In this video, we're creating this simple logo requested by Shafkat Raza Bukhari, and we're going to be making it purely on Canva, putting it up in lights. Join me. For this simple logo, we're going to create a blank logo canvas. And because Shafkat requested something that lights up and that's simple, it gave me an idea of looking for a beautiful font that we could use Canva's effects when it comes to text and light it up so that it is a beautiful one. So first you're going to change the background, make it a black background, and press T to add text. And then we're going to go and we're going to look for font that's called Indam Light. So the light gave me an idea and I thought, okay, let's go with it. Then we're going to press S to create a S because he requested for his initials, which are SRB. So we're then going to make the size of the font. Let's create it and make it a size 120. What you would then do, you would change the color of the first letter that you've created. So I chose a blue, so you could decide whatever color that you would like to use. So I made it a nice blue, and then you would duplicate your S by Control C or Command C and Control V like that. Then you would move your letter to align and create that nice box on top of the S behind it. Then you could change the color of this S and make it a nice bright yellow. And then you do exactly the same for the other letters, which are R and B. And then if you like, you can then add the text at the bottom of the page with you pressing T.
Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution.
So you could play around until you find one that works for you and you're comfortable with. In order for you to make the yellow letters to come up in lights, then you could select your letter and then go to your effects and then go to the effects and then go to neon, and then you could then make your letters light up in beautiful lights that Shafkat has requested. So this is the one way of doing it, and it looks like that. The other alternative that we saw earlier on is to maybe line them up, so we could ungroup our groups and then we could line them up, and we could do it like that. So there's your 3D 2D logo that you would have created on Canva, and all you do now is you go on your share and you click on download and then you share it like that. If you want to share it as a clear background and you want to go to Photopea and convert that to a 3D, you're welcome to do that. I just wanted to show you an idea, Shafkat. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. And if you want to learn more about Canva logos, I've created a course on Canva. You can go to my link on the description below, and there's a whole section on 3D logos that you could enjoy and learn much more. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. I will see you on the next video.